Yeah, good everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about hyperlink. And what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is just is an HTML hyperlink in HTML rather is used to connect multiple pages together. Just say it that way. So when I mean connect multiple pages together, let me show you an example. We actually achieve this using an HTML tag called an anchor tag. So like if I click on, I'm on home page now, if I click on academy, you can see that this is bringing me to the academy page, blog. So what is working behind the scene, or yeah, the HTML tag working behind the scene is called an hyperlink, and we do that with an anchor tag. So an HTML tag called an anchor tag, and the anchor tag also works with an attribute called href. So just forget about those big dramas. Let's just get into it. It's pretty straightforward. We have two HTML pages here. Let me create a new one. I can easily create a new one from here because I'm using VS Code. We are just a starter, and we are still using um, um, Notepad. Just create it the way you do it from your Notepad plus plus on your Notepad. Yeah, so I have this and I can just type my HTML and I can easily generate the code actually out. These are one of the reasons why we don't want the starters to use editors like this, because it auto fill. What I've just typed here now, there's a command I could easily use to generate everything. Welcome to academy to Intellic academy. Then you have a title there, the head. Okay, then the body you can see the one, welcome to Intellic Academy. So yeah, so now we can have, so let's load our page. Firstly, let's load our page. I have my folder here, open it, open the academy page. So yeah, we have this now, and so we want to talk about, we are talking about the hyperlink. So hyperlink is more of like I told you, for connecting multiple pages to another page. Now I'm on my academy page, and let's say I want to link the user to the home page, which is our index.html, or maybe the about page. So we can have um click, we can have a paragraph tag saying click here to know more about Intellic Academy. So click here to know more about Intellic Academy. Definitely you know that is this click here button that we want to make a link. So now let's first load this. You can see that everything is just like a plain text. So the anchor tag, the hyperlink is, I told you, is an HTML tag called anchor tag. So this is how the tag is. So I told you that this href is an attribute. Is an attribute. This is where this what contains the URL. This is where you put the URL of the page you are going to inside this quote. So let's do the practical example of that. So I want to make this click here the link that people will be able to click. I'll just do href, then come back to this place, then this one must have equals to. So here you see that this click here is now a link, but if I click it, nothing is going nowhere. So now I want it to go where? To the academy page. Since the academy about us page, the about us page is here, just put about.html, refresh. If I click it, you can see that I'm in my about us page. Let me go back. I'm in the academy page. If I click it, this is about Intellic Academy. So that is how aqua tag link works. And if I want, maybe click here to know more about Intellic Academy, I want this whole link, this whole text, that if I should click any part of this text, so it should take them to about us page. It's pretty straightforward. Just instead of closing your anchor tag here, just close it here. There's it here. So you can see that the whole text is now like a link. If I click it, it goes there. And if I want maybe the about Intellic Academy, this test should be the only link. I don't know what's wrong with this autocomplete. To be the only link, you can see that the remaining one is just test. Yeah. So and we can also link our own page too. We can see, we can also put the link to our own page. You can see paragraph, click below to click below visit our home page. So you can just click below to visit our home page. Then you can just have the anchor link can stand alone. No, it can be a link that stands alone itself. You can see home page. Then our home page is what? The index.html. So the index.html, just refresh. You can see click below to visit our home page. If I click on this, it will take me to the home page of Intellic Academy. Yeah, but I'm very sure you guys will have visited some website that if you click a link, it will not open the page on that same page. It will open it in a new tab. So how did you do that? It's pretty straightforward. Just come here. There's another attribute that is used for that target. You see target blank. It's going to like open this home page, but open it in a new tab. Let's try that out. See the magic. Can see it? You can see it? Yeah, good. That's how it works. So also this about Intellic Academy, if you want it to open in a new page, very pretty straightforward. Just come to your anchor tag, put target blank, and yeah, if we click on this, it's going to open it in a new page. So you can add anchor links to your different pages now, so that your pages are going to be linking to each other. You don't need to click on back to go to another page. From here you can see visit about us page. So I can make this old test sorry, I can make this old test an anchor link, and yeah, so about us HTML, and I can link about us page to the academy page. So yeah, just anywhere you want it, visit academy page. Go too long. Just and just like this. Academy.html. Then so if I come from the academy page to the about us page, from the about us page I can visit the academy page. On the academy can visit the home page. On the home page you can visit the about us page. You can visit that. You can see the way everything is now like clicking together is because that one has target blank. That's why it's opening in a new tab. So that way you can link multiple pages you've created in your project together, and yeah, getting there. So that's what it's or that's it's mainly about the hyperlink. Yeah, so and also it must not necessarily be pages inside your website. So you might want to actually make someone to visit a website, something like okay, learn more. Let's say something like let's say to enroll in Intellic Academy, visit their website. So then you can now say you can put Intellic Academy. So I can put like something like Intellic Academy. Yeah, this one can even be the hyperlink directly. To enroll in Intellic Academy, you can say visit the link below. Visit the link below. Then the link cannot be Intellic Academy. You just put href, then anchor tag. In this kind of case now, you might want to like let the something open in a new page. You might want it to be opening in a new page instead of like closing out your page. So this is the home page already. The enroll in Intellic Academy, visit the below link. I've not linked it any link. So you just go to the website, go and copy the academy link, which is this. Copy the academy link and put it here. So I've put it there now. If we refresh, if we click on it, you can see that that thing is overriding your home page. But if you don't want it to override your home page, like okay, you're just like helping them out or something, you can just say, you can put your targets blank. So it's going to, sorry. it's going to open it in a new tab. So this is it. Yeah, as simple as that. So maybe you want to direct someone to Google, just go and copy the link and put it there. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.